Understanding default arguments in programming. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in programming called default arguments. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, I'll break it down in a simple and easy to understand way. So, whether you're new to programming or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. Default arguments are the values that a function uses if no specific values are provided when the function is called. In programming, when we define a function, we often specify what input it needs, called arguments or parameters. Default arguments come into play when these inputs are not given. The function automatically uses the preset values. Using default arguments can make your code more flexible and less prone to errors. They allow functions to be called with fewer arguments, making the code cleaner and more readable. It's especially useful in situations where most calls to the function will use the same value. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a function that creates a greeting message. Without a default argument, you'd have to specify the name every time. But with a default argument, you can set a common name like guest, and only specify the name when it's different. While default arguments are useful, they should be used judiciously. Overusing them can make your code less clear, as it might not be obvious what values are being used. It's important to strike a balance and use them in situations where they genuinely add value and simplicity. I hope this video has helped demystify the concept of default arguments for you. Remember, programming is all about making things simpler and more efficient, and default arguments are a great tool in achieving that. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.